We all make mistakes, but do you take the time you need to learn every single lesson from that mistake? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself is about learning the lessons from all your mistakes. We're all guaranteed to make mistakes, we're all guaranteed to fail at something, but the most important thing you can take away from all your failures and from all your mistakes is the lesson. A lot of people don't really take the time to really understand the lesson that they've learned. Most people, let's say they've made a mistake in a relationship and they've managed to come out of that situation. Some people don't even take the time to really fully understand what's happened, what could have been avoided, and how to move forward to make sure that they don't get their heart broken again, or to make sure that they don't break somebody else's heart again. The same can be applied in business. How do you make sure that you don't make the same mistakes that you've learned from your previously failed business? Take the time to make sure that you learn every single lesson. If you're the type of person that's always trying to fix people, always trying to fix broken beds, you have to come to a point where you need to learn the lesson. You're not always going to fix people that don't want to be fixed. You lose so much of yourself by giving too much energy into the people that don't want to be fixed. Learn the lessons from your mistakes. Don't just focus too much on solving the mistake, but what did you learn from it? What did you take away from it? Otherwise you continue to get hurt. We've all been in situations where we do one thing, it leads to another, or you've got a friend that you give them advice and you tell them not to go after that person, not to go after that, not to take a deal with that person, not to place that investment, but they'll go ahead anyways, and you find that you're always telling them, I told you so, I told you so. It's because people don't take the time to learn from their mistakes. You'll be surprised at how much of a better person you become when you take the time to analyze and review every situation and learn from your mistake. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.